Yo fam, listen. If your fruit salad is giving, I chopped some fruit and prayed. Today we're upgrading it like it's 2026, and we have standards. This is creamy fruit salad 2026. Fresh, juicy, colorful, and the creamy dressing tastes like a dessert, but still feels light. This is the bowl you bring to a potluck and suddenly people act like you're a chef. Like you show up with this and somebody's gonna be like, wait, who made this? And you're just standing there like, me. What's good, everybody? It's Lola Chantelle back in the kitchen. And I'm not gonna lie, this is one of those recipes that looks fancy, takes like 15 minutes, and makes you look like you've got your life together. We're making it no watery, no mushy, and I'm also gonna show you how to keep banana from turning brown because banana always wants to misbehave the moment you look away. Alright, ingredient-wise, use what you have, okay? I'm not here to bully you into buying rare fruit from Whole Foods. But if you want that perfect bite every time, here's the combo that hits. 1 crisp apple, grapes, red/green mix looks nice, strawberries, a mango because mango is always main character, orange or mandarin for that bright citrus vibe, pineapple if you want a little tropical, and pomegranate seeds if you want to make it look like you paid $12 for a premium fruit cup from some bougie spot. And yes, banana is invited, but banana is coming last because we're not making mush. Now the real magic is the creamy dressing. Thick plain yogurt, Greek style is elite, honey or maple syrup, orange juice, lemon juice, and if you want to make it taste like dessert but responsible, add a tiny splash of vanilla. Cinnamon is optional, mint is optional, but when you add mint, it's giving brunch table aesthetics. Okay, period. Now work procedure. This part is what separates nice fruit salad from why is everybody asking me for the recipe. First, wash your fruits properly, especially grapes and strawberries, because we're not eating mystery dust today. And then dry them. This is the part people skip and then later they're like, why is it watery? Bestie, because wet fruit plus dressing equals soup. We're not doing that. Now chop everything roughly the same size, so every spoon has balance. Apple goes into small cubes, mango and pineapple into nice bite-sized chunks, strawberry sliced, grapes whole or halved, orange segmented clean. No seeds, please. We're civilized. And keep banana aside for now. Banana is sensitive. Banana is dramatic. Banana needs boundaries. Next, the dressing. Grab a bowl, add your yogurt, honey, orange juice, lemon juice, optional vanilla, optional pinch of cinnamon, and mix until it's smooth and glossy. Then taste it, yes, taste it. Because if the dressing tastes mid, the whole salad tastes mid. If you want it sweeter, add a touch more honey. If you want it brighter, add a little more lemon. This is your moment to customize because in my house, somebody always wants it a little more sweet and somebody always wants it less sweet. You know how it goes. Now take a big bowl, like Costco-size energy if you're feeding people, and add all your fruits except banana. Pour the dressing over the top and fold gently. Gently, not aggressive. Because if you stir like you're mixing cement, the strawberries break and everything turns into pink yogurt chaos. Cute for a smoothie, not cute for fruit salad. Now banana time. Slice the banana and here's the real US potluck hack. Toss the banana slices with a tiny splash of orange or lemon juice before adding. Just a little. Then add it to the bowl and fold one more time. Banana added early becomes mushy and starts turning brown like it's doing a challenge. We don't give banana that opportunity. After that, cover the bowl and chill it for 15 to 30 minutes. This step matters because chilling lets the flavors link up like a group chat. Everything tastes more blended, more refreshing, more wow. If you're making this ahead for a party or for meal prep, keep banana separate and add it right before serving. That's how you keep it fresh and pretty. When you serve it cold and make it look like you're on a brunch menu. Sprinkle mint, add pomegranate seeds, maybe a few chopped almonds or cashews, or coconut flakes if you like. And watch. People will take one bite and suddenly they're asking, is this from Trader Joe's? No, babe, it's from Lola's kitchen. Quick mistakes to avoid before we wrap. Don't use overripe, mushy fruit. Don't skip drying, don't add banana early, and don't drown the bowl in dressing. Fruit should still shine. If you want to upgrade it 2026 style, you can do a high-protein version with Greek yogurt and a tiny bit of chia seeds, or a dairy-free version with coconut yogurt and maple syrup. And if it's a party and you feel like being extra, you can add a small handful of mini marshmallows or crushed biscuits. Just don't tell your fitness app, okay? All right, fam, look at that. Creamy, fresh, bright, colorful, and it tastes like dessert but feels light. This is the fruit salad that disappears first at the table, and then later you get the text like, send recipe. That's it. Creamy Fruit Salad 2026 by Lola Chantelle. If you try it, comment Fruit Gang, strawberry, pineapple, and tell me, are you team creamy or team fresh? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Love y'all, stay blessed.